2 bread. I already put them in the air stove. You need 2 tablespoons of milk. I already poured it in. Some sausages and good old cheese. Alright. So now, like the first step is putting the bread inside. So I've already done that. So now I'm going to get some milk inside. Okay. Okay, now this part, the milk is done. Now for the sausages. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. Alright, so, okay, now for the cheese, the delicious cheese. Nothing better, there always has to be cheese on pizza. Okay. Alright. Wait. Get more. Okay. Wait, do I have any more? Wait, I think that's still too less. Okay, now it's right. Okay, now I'm just going to put it in there for a good old 10 minutes, and I'll see you then. Wait. Okay. So now it's already been 10 minutes, and I think this baby is already done. So let's see. Wow! Look at this. Alright. So it's best to get a wooden board so you don't get your table burnt. Okay, now I'm just going to... You might want an adult to do this. Okay, I'm just going to turn this off just in case. Okay, now you might want to leave it here to cool down for a bit, but okay, so I'm going to leave it here to cool down for a bit, and I'll see you then. So welcome back, and so this is what it might look after cool down. So as you can see, the cheese already melted, so it'll be very delicious. And I forgot to mention at the start, you want like the stick bread because like, you know, so it tastes good. Like, and for the milk, like I added the milk because like you don't want it to be too hard, you want it to be soft, but yet crunchy. Okay, got a nice glass of milk here. Okay, let's just give it a taste. Wow! Hey, wait, I haven't tasted sausage yet. Mmm. It's very good.